to another video. I forgot to turn this thing on. And today we're just going to be playing some Roblox. Hey, stop it. Let's play an obby. Let's play some of an obby. No, let's play Tycoon. Are any of my friends on? I'm wondering. None of my friends are on. Alright. Alright guys, so I am going to play Escape Pets hobby? Why not? The Secret Life of Pets. Just gonna play a little bit of it, guys. I don't want it to take too long to post. In my last video, which was my first video, it was just a house tour. Guys, I can't even see a character. Her likes to double jump. Ooh, I want to be Max. Guys, I'm Max. Alright, I know how to do that. Ooh. Now that Katie is gone, I think we can kill time by going on an adventure. What just? We need to get past these people. This is easy so far. Whoops. Oh, come on, guys. That wasn't fair. Well, I don't know that. Now I know why is very busy. Oh, yikes. Yikes. Come on, I ran into a car. Ah! Come on. What? I can't touch that? Good thing I was jumping over it the past few times. No. Which way? Apparently it's this way. Oh, guys. It's very tough. There's acting cars now. Ah, 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 ah. Alrighty, guys. What? Can't go that way? Oh no. Hit me, car. Huh? Where am I supposed to go? Guys? Hold on. Guys, microphone apparently isn't working anymore. Bye, guys.